We continue to follow breaking news. Former President Trump found guilty on all 34 felony charges. Joining us now, attorney Karen Conti. Karen, Trump is claiming to be innocent, saying this entire trial is rigged. What happens next?
Well, the defense is going to file a motion to set aside the verdict, citing all of the alleged errors that the judge made as far as ruling on objections and jury instructions. And the judge will probably deny that motion. And then in the meantime, there will be sentencing reports prepared on both sides, advocating in the prosecution's case for the maximum jail time and the defense for the minimum. And also Trump will be interviewed by the probation department, and they will ask him questions about his medicine and his health so that they can prepare in the event that there is a sentence where he would serve time.
Trump obviously will appeal, but what do you think, how long could it take for that appeal process to play out?
Unless there is some motion to expedite an appeal, it's going to take a while. I could see it taking a year, which is very standard because there are briefs that have to be filed, there are arguments that are made, and then there's a ruling that is done in writing. So it could really take a long time, well past the election.
Right, and you know, election just months away, and we know, though unlikely, what are the chances Trump could serve any time on this?
Well, you know, I would say normally not, because this is not one of the most serious crimes ever, right? It's not a very serious crime, but we've got four things. One is he violated gag orders, and the judge can take that into account. Two, it was a resounding verdict. There was not one count that he was found not guilty on. So that's going to speak very clearly to the judge. And also, you know, they can bring up all the past bad acts, the Jean Carroll trial, all the other allegations that have been made against him. And finally, Donald Trump is probably not going to be remorseful. He's not going to get up in front of this judge and say, I'm very sorry, please forgive me, I'll never do this again. And that's what the judge wants to see in in assessing a short verdict. So I think those four factors could lead the judge to believe that he has to give him at least a little bit of prison time.
Either way you look at it, a historic conviction of a former U.S. president. Karen Conti, thank you so much for your insight tonight.
Take care.